Right, this is my discussion of everything you need to revise for consumer choices. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections in consumer choices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first section is all about scarcity. And in scarcity, you have to revise everything we did about unlimited wants and limited resources. Because you have unlimited wants and needs, but only limited resources, that leads to scarcity. And scarcity means you have to take choices, and for every choice, there's an opportunity cost. That will probably be the first part of one question in your paper. Then there will probably be a question about values. Values, these are things that we believe to be important. And because people have different values, that will lead to conflict. And for every conflict, there has to be a compromise. The next section, the next place where there'll be a question is the third section, is the law of demand. Now you have to explain the law of demand, what the law of demand states, but also explain why the law of demand occurs. As this person has partly written, people will purchase more of a good of a service because when the price drops, they have more discretionary income to spend. Therefore, they can afford to buy more. But you also have to include the bit about when the price drops, people will purchase less substitutes, and they'll always purchase more of the relatively cheaper good. You'll have to do that. And what you have to do is explain this diagram here, which is why the downward sloping demand curve. As price decreases, quantity increases. It's quite strange doing that with my finger. The next two bits you have to do are shift in demand curves and the factors that cause a shift in demand curve. This is when demand changes, but price stays constant. Look there. The price is constant, but the quantity is increased. And this is caused by factors such as change in taste and fashion, changes in income, changes in the price of other goods, and these are the goods that substitutes and complements. The final bit you'll do in this section is all about household income. And in there you'll have to write about necessities, luxuries, and normal and inferior goods. This is all the stuff that you have to revise for consumer choices. And what you should have is a nice overview that looks just like this. And on it, it's going to tell you all the words you need to know and everything you have to be able to tick off. Isn't that good? See you later. Bye.